this. Slide it into position. Spin that down. So now as I'm trying to tighten this down, this is just spinning, so I can't get that bolt tightened down. So this stud is actually spinning while you're putting it on, it's not tightening. What you're going to do is you're going to use an 11/32. You're going to put that on top, and then you're just going to use the open end wrench, and then you're just going to tighten that up. And now this is going to tighten to 55 foot-pounds, so I'm feeling it tighten right here, and then I'm going to get my torque wrench out, and I'm going to tighten that the rest of the way. Next we're going to put our torque wrench on, and then we're going to torque this to 55 foot-pounds. And there we go. So when you're putting your tie rod on, sometimes that doesn't want to tighten down onto that stud. That stud wants to spin. So what you can do is make sure you get that all the way up, and then you can use your 18mm open end wrench, tighten that down. And if it's spinning, you're just going to take an 11/32. I used a little socket here, and then I put my wrench. I used an open end wrench, and then I tighten that down, doing that. And then once I got fairly tight and I was getting snug, I used my torque wrench, and then just to make sure, when my torque wrench was kind of spinning, I just tightened up a little bit here. I went and used a ratchet strap, and then that tightened that down enough, so I was able to tighten that up to the 55 foot-pounds needed. So if you're having an issue with this stud spinning, again, this is an 11/32 in your 18mm, and you can tighten that using the 2. And then when you get down, if it's still spinning, just put a little bit of pressure on that, and then you can tighten that up to 55 foot-pounds. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.